هلو.
الو، كيفك سوزان؟
منيحة، أنت كيفك؟
الحمد لله منيح. مريان and Ruby, how are you?
Fine, Stairs, انت
Hi
كيفك؟
Stairs, we're good. أنت كيف؟
الحمد لله. اشتقنا لكم. إلنا about 10 days مش حاكيين مع بعض.
Yes.
Yes.
كيف كان الإكزامز؟
منيح.
Good. Everything is good.
صححت Stairs.
Everything group work ولا individual work؟
No group work.
individual work.
No.
وتالت exercise كانت صعبة.
في group work يعني.
لا ما كان فيه.
بلا هلا إذا بدك فرجيكي مين يعمل group work يعني. بعرف منهم انتوا مثل انت ما عملتي group work يعني you have get a good mark.
أنا؟
سوزان yes.
أوكي.
ومريان عاملة good. روبي good.
كلنا عاملين جود.
انه هذا not same copy يعني في شيء كانوا عاملينه.
هالمرة كان أحسن لأنه عملنا من الشامل معك. So it was easier for us.
ما طول عم نعمل من الشامل. all.
إنه إيه عملنا أكتر يعني تقريبا كله.
ايه يعني بهذا الترم still we have two chapter probability هذا we are in probability and statistics. اوكي ترين مبين ما راح تسترجي تفوت. شو؟
probability ما خلصنا probability.
بعد ما عملنا ما خلص الدiscussion وبعد ما عملنا solving.
Okay.
بعدنا still in the beginning of probability. This is why I want to correct the exercise of probability and I will check the parts that you don't do well in the function. كيفك جورج؟
هاي استاذ منيح
هاي.
انت كيفك؟
كيفك؟ اوكي يعني نحن already مات إذا بدنا نخلص probability يعني we get finished. Statistics is very easy. So an urn contains, we have an urn that contains 2 white. في عندنا 2 white balls. 2 balls are white. And I sent the correction. 3 are red. And 4 are green. شو؟
كيف كان؟
يعني good.
Good.
4 green. So we have in total how many balls? 7, 9. We choose 3 balls are randomly and simultaneously chosen. So I told you whenever we choose simultaneously, we use combinations. We use combinations. Part 1. How many possible drawings are there?
9 choose 3.
9 choose 3. The possible drawings are 9 choose 3. وليش بيطلع معك الانسر غلط يا مريان هون على الكالكوليتر طلع معك 87 I don't know how much. So 9 choose 3. So I have 2 white, 3 green, 3 red and 4 green.
كيف غلط؟
84.
بيطلع 84 not 87. Determine the probability of each of the following events. Exactly 2 red. Taline, what's meant exactly 2 red balls?
Two red, one other.
كيف بنلاقي 2 red one other? اوكي جورج
بنحط التوتال
تحت التوتال 9 choose 3. I have total
Yes.
9.
كلهم A B C D كلهم total تحت.
I need 2 red, 2 from 3 and 1 from 6. We get 18 over 84 or 13 over 14. Any questions about probability of A? Exactly 2 red?
No.
No.
تالين يا تالين برجع بقول
Yes.
100 times you have to depend on yourself. Please depend.
Okay.
You don't have all the time the chance to copy. أنا ما بتفرق معي، أنا كنت بعطيك السوليوشن واكتبي السوليوشن، بس بكرة امتحان رسمي ما فيك تعملي كوبي. أنت كاتبي هيدا بس هيدا اللي فوق وطلع معك الجواب 3 over 14. ما بعرف كيف طلع معك 3 over 14. You forget to copy all the exercise.
Yes, I forgot.
بعدين يعني بعرف انه عاملي كوبي instead of times حاطه بلس وطالع معك نفس الانسر. I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, depend on yourself.
Okay.
At least 2 balls are white. What's meant at least 2 balls are white? ما عاملين مثلهم هدول، عاملين مثلهم وقتها بالبوكسز.
يعني 2 white one other.
Or at least 2 white.
كان في شيء بالماينس.
يعني 3 not white.
minus.
2 white and 1 other. ما فينا نقول 3 white. فينا نقول 3 white.
No.
So 2 white and 1
No.
other. What is the probability to get 2 white and 1 other?
2
So
choose
probability
2.
that'll be I can't say probability of 3 white. So 2 white and 1 not white. 2 white, 2 from 2, 1 not white, 1 from 7, over 3 from 9, equal 7 over 84, equal 1 over 12. At least 2 white, يعني 2 or more. 2 white or more. So finish all 3 white here, because maximum we have 2 white balls. هديك 1 minus, whenever we say at least 1 white, I use the opposite. At most 1 white ball. George, كيف at most 1 white ball? What's meant by at most 1 white ball?
يعني 1 white, 2 other,
Yes.
or 3 other.
Or 3 not white, yes. So probability, let's see. At most 1 white, either 1 white and 2 others, plus probability of 3 not white. 1 white, if 1 from 2, 2 not white, 2 from 7, over 3 from 9, plus 3 not white, 3 from 7. Please, any questions about C?
No.
No.
3 balls of the same color. What's meant by 3 balls of the same color? What's meant by 3 balls of the same color?
3 white or 3 red or 3 green.
Plus
I cannot say 3 white.
3 choose 3 over
Don't
9
put
choose
3 white. يعني
I
بيصير
can't.
3 choose 3 plus 4 choose 3 over 9 choose 3.
So probability that D is either 3 red or 3 green. 3 red is 3 from 3, or plus 3 green, 3 from 4, over 3 from 9. Is it difficult, this one? Now,
No.
second part. هذا second part mostly ما حدا عمله صح. In this part, 3 balls are drawn 1 by 1 without replacement. كيف 1 by 1 without replacement? What does it mean 1 by 1 without replacement? Yes, صبايا وشباب. What's meant 1 by 1 without replacement?
permutation.
No, yes, we can use permutations, or
يعني 3 to 1
successively.
هيك.
We choose them successively, one after the other. يعني I take the first ball, then I take the second ball, then I take the third ball. Or permutations. Now, what is the probability that the 3 balls have same color? If 3 balls have the same color?
3 red or 3 green 3 white معنا.
فيها أقول 3 white, 3 green, 3 red, probability of 3 red, plus probability of 3 green. Who can tell how to calculate 3 red and 3 green?
3 to 1 plus 4 3 2.
I can use here whenever we take successively, I cannot use combinations. I have to use this one. I put 3 dashes, 3 overs. What's the total here? Total number of balls?
3 over 9.
9. Then 8.
8, 7.
7. 3 red. How much the first red ball? How many?
3.
2, 1. Here also the same. 9, 8, 7. And green, I have 4, then 3,
4.
4, 3, 2.
4, 3, 2. It's okay?
Yes.
Yes.
F, 3 balls have different color. شو معنى 3 balls have different color?
1 white, 1 red, 1 green.
1 white, 1 red, 1 green. How to calculate it?
Two,
2,
3, 4.
3, 4.
تحت 2, 3, 4. Denominator
9, 8, 7.
8, 7. But since I choose them successively, I have to multiply by how many ways I can permute them. By how many ways we can permute them?
3.
Times the 3 factorial. بنتبه دايما مع successively we have to multiply by the number of permutations, by in how many ways we can permute them. We can change their order. In the previous part, probability للE, red, I cannot change the order. بدل red. This is why I don't multiply by any number. Here I should multiply by 3 factorial. Okay. حدا عنده شي question هون؟
No.
اوكي. نرجع شوي ل exercise 2. نشوف the difficult parts that you didn't solve. Here, what's the limit as x tends to plus infinity? Ln infinity is how much?
Plus infinity.
Yes.
يعني it gives 0.
It gives 0. What we deduce from this?
يعني it's a horizontal asymptote.
What's its horizontal asymptote?
Y equals 0 is horizontal asymptote.
As x tends to e to the power minus 1, how much will be the limit as x tends to e to the minus 1?
Minus infinity.
No, it is plus infinity. How much, if ln e to the minus 1, we get minus 1. 1 minus 1 will be get 0 plus. 0 plus يعني plus infinity.
Plus infinity.
يعني plus infinity. ل f prime كلكم عملتوه صح. Find the demand. بس here في ناس ما انتبهوا لل 100,000 of iPads. Unit here, find the price for the demand of $100. شو بنعمل هون in this part? Find the demand. This is the demand for a price of $100. We calculate D of 100 over 100 because the price is in hundreds. Expressed in hundreds here. D of 1.
$400.
D of 1 equal 4 over 1 plus ln 1. We get 4. 4 of what?
Hundreds of dollars.
100,000.
400,000 of iPads. 400,000 of iPads. في ناس كتبوا 400 iPads, but it is not correct. So pay attention for the unit. 400,000 of iPads. هيدا كمان mostly تقريبا فيش غير يمكن سوزان عاملة هيدا صح؟ Find the price for the demand of 200,000 iPads. Find the demand, or find the price of the demand for a demand of 200,000. شو بنعمل in this part? Find the demand. Or find the price. We need to find X. Find the price, and we need to find X if the demand is 200,000. شو بنعمل جورج here? So here, demand is 200,000 over 100,000 بيطلع 2. 200,000 over 100,000 equal 2. So D of X equal 2. Demand هو 4 over 1 plus ln X equal 2. We cross multiply. 2 plus 2 ln X equal 4. 2 over 1. بيصير عندنا 2 plus 2 ln X equal 4. It means that 2 ln X equals 2. Ln X equal 1. يعني X equals E, which is 2.71 hundredths of dollars. يعني $271. هيدا البارت فيش غير سوزان عملته صح. Any questions about this part? Marianne? Any questions about the part? Part 3 كمان ما حدا عامله صح. Solve the equation dx equal sx. كل اللي عاملينه غلط عاملينه same copy. بعرفش مين السورس of this. يمكن فانا عاطي send the correction. Demand equal supply. يمكن هيدا أصعب part بالإكزام. Demand equal supply. شو راح الكهرباء؟
No.
سوزان راح الكهرباء عندك؟ So demand equals supply. This is the demand. This is the supply. Cross multiplication. We get 2 ln x plus 2 ln squared x. كلكم حاطين 2 ln x squared. Ln x times ln x is ln squared x equal 4. Then 2 ln squared x plus 2 ln x minus 4 equal to 0. By using the calculator, you get ln x equal 1, يعني x equal e, or ln x equal minus 2, x equal to e to the minus 2, which is rejected. So for a price of $271, the market is at equilibrium. For a price of $271, the market is at equilibrium. Any questions for this part? فيش غير تالين انت معي؟ كيفك تالين؟
منيحة يا أستاذ أنت.
ماشي الحال. ليش انت اونلاين؟
راحت الكهرباء. شو؟
باين عندك كهرباء انت.
إيه عندي.
يا تالين you have to depend on yourself. You have to study more.
أستاذ ما عم بقدر.
ما عم تقدري.
جربت.
مش هلا بدك تجربي هلا كل يوم بيوم ومش قبل التست.
قد ايه اخدت؟
بكره بتعرفي وقت يبعتوا الريبورتس لإلكم
اوكي.
انه هاي المدير ما تقولوا لحدا الجريدز.
اوكي.
بس ناجح، بس انه بدي اياكي تعتمدي على حالك.
خلص بعد هلا بعمل هيك.
انه بكره اذا يو عملتوا الاوفيشال اكزامز عن مين بدك تكتبي؟
بدرس.
بدرسي
ايه.
فانا كيفك فانا؟
الحمد لله أستاذ.
ليه كنت لازم تعملي بتر؟ كنت وقعت منك تعملي بتر.
ما كنت كتير مركزة.
ليش كنت عم تعملي؟
معلش.
لازم تطفي التليفون whenever you are solving.
ايه عم بعمل بس ما بعرف.
بليز قبل ما تروح الكهرباء شفتوا كيف حلينا بارت 2؟
Yes.
بارت 3
Yes.
بارت 3 كنتوا وقت حلينا ولا نو؟ طيب من أول exercise it is very simple. Parts 4 and 5 mostly فيش غير سوزان عملته صح. هيدا 4 and 5. determine the لقينا كلنا البروفيت، كلكم لقيتوا البروفيت correct. بس part 4 and 5 it is you have done it not correct. Part 4 determine the number of calculators to achieve a break even. How to achieve a break even?
Px equals 0.
Px equal to 0. How to solve Px equal to 0? هون بلش ال Px
With alpha.
Px is the same as Fx. If you notice, Px is the same as Fx. So Px equal to 0 means Fx equal to 0 means x equal alpha. Well, alpha it is given 1.6. So Px equal to 0 means Fx equal to 0. Yani x equal alpha 1.6. What is the unit for x? Hundreds of calculators is 1.6 hundreds of calculator is 160 calculators. Part 5, determine the minimum number of calculators that should be produced to realize a profit. In which case we will get a profit. صبايا شباب. In which case we get Px, we get a profit.
More than 0.
So هيدا هون ال Fx which is Px, this is alpha. To achieve a profit, the Px should be positive. And the Fx is positive. The Fx is positive. يعني شفنا نحن على 1.6 hundreds of calculator we have a break even. No gain, no loss. To get a profit in the Px positive, in x greater than 1.6 hundreds of calculators, يعني على 160 calculators كان عندنا break even. So على 161 the minimum number is 161 calculators. The minimum number is 161 calculators. Okay, this is all for today. Tomorrow we'll start with continuing probability. Please, for tomorrow, read the notes of probability in order to continue.
Okay.
Okay, Esther.
Yalla. See you.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye bye.
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 Bye.